Hey, good day, folks. Welcome to another beautiful day. Welcome to another episode of Andrew's Life. Now, on this video, I will be driving through the city of Hoover, Alabama. Now, before I go any further on this video, for those of you that choose to sit and watch this whole entire video from the beginning to the end, and if you do, I would highly appreciate it. It'll help with my algorithm. So if you choose to watch the whole entire video, I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's a section of this video to where my camera got off center, and I did not know how to edit that part of the video out of the video. So when you approach the 2 minute and 24-second mark, skip from the 2 minute and 24 to 6 minute and 38-second mark. So when you approach the 2 minute and 24-second mark, skip all the way to the 6 minute and 38-second mark. Because there's going to be a good 4 minutes or so to where my camera got off center due to me going over a bump, I believe. So my apologies. Anyhow, back to the video. Hoover, Alabama is a suburb of Birmingham, Alabama. It is Birmingham's largest suburb. It's also Birmingham's one of the most expensive suburbs. It is 15 minutes south of the city. So that's the city of Birmingham. Now, the population of Hoover is 92,606 people, growing at a rate of 13.5% as of the 2020 census. Hoover is the sixth largest city in the state of Alabama. Now, this city was incorporated in 1967. The city was named after William H. Hoover, a local insurance company owner at the time. Now, this city is located along the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. I'm going to be honest, I had no idea that any part of the Appalachian Mountains went into the state of Alabama, but apparently it does. So I learned something new every day myself as I go out and I record these videos. Now, for those of you that love golf, for those of you golf enthusiasts, there's the Ross Bridge Golf Resort and Spa, which is the third largest golfing course in the world. Now, Hoover, Alabama, like many parts of north central Alabama, Hoover is going to be very hilly. And now, one thing I noticed about Hoover, Alabama is I did not see a downtown area. And I've driven all over the city looking for a downtown. I did not see one. So if Hoover has a downtown, which I missed, leave a comment below. Now, as you guys will be able to see in this video, Hoover does have a very large commercial sector, which the city began to build up significantly during the 1980s, which has brought about a significant amount of revenue to the city, and it attracted many new residents to the city due to all the new amenities that were added to the city. Now, of course, for entertainment, I mean, you know, there's a few things to do here, and I'll get to that list in a minute or so. Now, if you're wanting to live in this beautiful city of Hoover, the median home price is going to be $350,000 $3,000.
In a quarter mile, turn left
If you
onto
want to
Braddock
buy
Drive.
anything that's turnkey, moving ready, that's decent, you're going to be looking to spend at least $300,000 for a home.
Take the second left onto Braddock Drive.
I'm going to look up some entertainments.
In 1,000
Hoover,
feet,
Alabama.
turn right onto Spruce Drive.
Now, see, according to TripAdvisor, you can go visit the Moss Rock Preserve Waterfall. If you go on that website, TripAdvisor, you type in Hoover, Alabama, I mean, the pictures look beautiful. Now, of course, when I do these videos, I don't visit a lot of those places because some of those places you have to pay an admission to get in. You can also go to the Aldridge Gardens. You can visit the Hoover Metropolitan Complex.
You have arrived.
They got the River Case Galleria. And of course, for those of you that have pets, they do have the, I think it is Loach Haven Dog Park. That is spelled L-O-C-H. Haven Dog Park. I don't know how to pronounce it. They also got the Ross Bridge Historical Park. They got vintage shopping. For those of you that like shopping for knickknacks and odds and ends. So this city is plagued with a bunch of parks. So if you want to move here to Hoover, you will definitely have a array of parks to go to enjoy the nice outdoor weather here in north central Alabama. You also have the Alabama Historical Radio Society Don K. Memorial Museum. It's a Memorial Radio Museum. Sorry. You got Moe's Carriage and Trail Rides. So if you want to go somewhere and get you a horse ride, you can go there. They also have a game and entertainment. It's called Sky Zone. It looks like a neat place to go to, just by the look of the pictures on the website, on the TripAdvisor website. They actually have a Hoover Historical Society too, which I wanted to go there, but I didn't get to. But you can go there on your own and visit. They got let's see what else they got. For those of you that smoke cigars, they got the cigars and more bar. And of course, if you're looking for other kind of entertainment, Birmingham is only 15 minutes south, 15 minutes north of here. And apparently before Hoover, Alabama got the name Hoover from the insurance company owner at the time, this city used to be known as the Green Valley Community. And as I drive through this city reminds me a little bit of the Cool Springs and Brentwood, Tennessee area, for those of you that are familiar with Greater Nashville. Except the difference is Cool Springs, in my opinion, is a little bit more crowded than Hoover is. And their median home prices, they're going to be a little more expensive too, because it's outside of Nashville as opposed to down here, which is Greater Birmingham.